Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you this Come Homer artificial Christmas tree. 195 centimeter height. This is the test winner. Easy fault system, it's a Christmas tree, lively and lush. With DIY cards and bow ribbons. Stable metal stand. Yeah, in green. It's also available in yellow-green. Oh, whoa. First step is, of course, a Christmas tree. This is a decorated tree, usually an evergreen conifer, such as a spruce, a pine, or a fir, associated with the celebration of Christmas. It may also consist of an artificial tree of similar appearance. Yeah, the custom was developed in Central Europe, particularly Germany and Livonia. Yes, where Protestant Christians brought decorated trees into their homes. The tree was traditionally decorated with rows made of colored paper, tinsel, apples, waffles, and confetti. Moravian Christians began to illuminate the Christmas tree with candles, which were often replaced by Christmas lights after the advent of electricity. Today, there is a wide variety of traditional and modern ornaments, such as garlands, baubles, tinsels, and candy cans. And all this is possible to get on this Christmas tree, too, because this is simple and warm. Because this 1.95 meter tall artificial Christmas tree is made of over 1,000 plastic branches. In diameter is 100 centimeters. The Come Homer Christmas tree comes with some DIY Christmas cards and ribbons. And it's easy to assemble and is space-saving storage. Thanks to the particle umbrella folding system, the tree can be set up and dismantled in a minute. Yeah, that's really fast to store this. The blanket and the tips can then be individually shaped and decorated as desired. After dismantling, the tree fits back to the original packaging in a space-saving manner. And a stable metal stand and a high-quality device, because the tree is easy to put together and hold securely. The metal stand with the hind constructed ensure more stability and durability without sharp parts. The needles made of flame-retardant PVC are soft, medium soft, and looks natural and easy to dust off. Perfect as a Christmas decoration, which provides more security during the holidays. The stable stand prevents the accidental dropping, maybe by a cat or something else. And this artificial Christmas tree is suitable for indoor and outdoor use, wherever in the living room, on the balcony, in the shop, or in the office. This decorates all these areas with a Christmas flow, with a nice and easy assembling and really fast disassembling and storaging. We have a high construction, easy and quick assembly. With an easy construction, easy connection of the parts. We have a flame retardant tip, secure and easy to align. We have a stable metal base, firm and secure stand. And we have free Christmas accessories and high quality, durable and functional design. Easy peasy, as you can see, and it looks really nice. This all brings us this. The Come Homer artificial Christmas tree. 195 centimeter of the spirit of Christmas by Come Homer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.